We got Mexican food. Come on. They're tearing up that burrito, people. Miss Friendly's got a mouthful of rice. There's rice, beans, beef, and you name it, people. Lettuce, tomato, onions. They don't care. And that's what I'm talking about, people. Be nice to your farm or construction animals, and they'll be nice to you. Yeah, you guys can pick that clean if you want to. Anyway, this house is nearing completion, people. You're going to paint it on the inside and finish up the trim and the appliances, and it'll be done. This is our next house to be finished.